Yeah, man. Chicks chap, daddy's looks, chicks smile. A stand up nigga, wantin' sit down, live wild, twist loud, for the love of dough. Told my chick money's my bitch and you the other hoe. Yeah, they come and go. I fuck with me, so fuck who don't. Bucket low in my buffaloes. Yeah, I tuck the toast. I got a background. Never back down. Nigga, I'll back out. Or you'll get packed, yeah. Smelling like the trap house, fresh up out the last mouth. I don't cuff, I pass round. I'm the one that ass bow. That QU kid, baby, make room. The boy at back, call me Cake Roof. Run your jibs, I chase loot. Hood like that ace do. To this life I'm faithful. Able, ready, willing to killing the moral that. Get the moral pack, boy, the Lord's back. SLM initials, official on my job, and the day I die is when my shift's through. To get loot, I ride for mine and do bid too. Got issues, short a few screws and some a bit loose. Bitch who? Fuck, kick, prick, you can eat the can. My brother's keeper and I'm armed if he need a hand. Cake on the chrome plate, game hoes but I don't play. Say shit that they won't say. These O's ain't like cold plays. Few puddles and snowflakes, that stacks with some cocaine. Wonder if she look in my eyes and still see romaine. From the sixth door, on the sixth floor, cause I can't. Mommy, that kid gone. I done did wrong. I done did that. I done did this. I hit his bitch. Mine on get rich. Fuck what you thought. I get it in like I'm the cue ball. That ain't cue ball. But I ain't local. These niggas don't want beef. They wantin' tofu. She think I'm so cool. I don't think she the only one. I just want the neck. I'ma go let my Brody punch. He told me once. Cause fuck bitches, get money. Or fuck bitches and get money. So dig, honey. I need that Swiss cheese, that Drake cake. I'm the clip booth, the AK. It's my time and not a day late. See that prayer paid? Let's get paid, fam. And watch my change. I'm at a great stage. Wait, know you done started something. I'm like Danny. I'm a savage. I'm like Randy. Now you ain't family. Then you anonymous, short temper, high tolerance, shelter size of condiments. I'm with it, my niggas too, living loose, pop like Witherspoon, marrying some swimming pools, criminal, smooth like that mic that grab his genitals. General, nigga needs some bigger shoes. One time for my nigga Woo, get the salute. You know me kingin'. MSH, I brought my team in, nigga.